Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. A common obstacle you will face as a car salesperson often happens during the meet and greet when the customer states, "I'm just looking." This is a defensive statement and is their attempt to maintain control by throwing you off track and refusing to cooperate with your normal sales process. Your initial goal must be to lower the customer's defenses and create the perception you are only there to help them shop. The sooner you can do this, the better your chances of removing any fear that they may have that you're going to pressure them to buy a car today. The verbiage you use in this initial step can set you apart as unique and different from what they expect and catch them pleasantly off guard so you can move them quickly to the qualification and selection process. The following response will help you accomplish this goal when a customer makes that statement. So, customer states, "I'm just looking." My initial response is, okay, so does that mean you do not have to buy a car today? And in most cases, the customer will respond with, "No, not today." I then respond with, "Well, great. That actually takes all the pressure off me as a salesperson. Why don't we consider today's visit as an informational gathering event? I can show you the cars we have in stock, and if you see something you like, I can get the keys and you can sit inside of a few of them. Then before you leave, I can give you prices and brochures on all the cars you like to take home to consider and compare with the other cars you'll be looking at during your shopping process." You see, this sets you apart from all of the other salespeople the customer has or will visit with. And it releases their defensive posture so you can make a great presentation. Now, obviously, if we find a car they like, which everyone does, we'll take it for a drive. And then you do all realize I am going to ask them to buy that car before they leave. Why? Because that's my job, to sell cars. When the customer gets defensive, you need to first focus on releasing that defensive posture. Then make the best presentation you can, and then ask for the sale. Well, thanks for joining me this week for another sales tip. And don't forget, if you need any training, we're your best source for all of your training needs. Good luck, and I'll see you all next week.